All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money. As you can see, this is my PayPal account. So I'm not manipulating or anything. Yes, it is real. So if you look on here, my name is up here and everything. So I'm also going to refresh the page because I know there's a lot of people that create video and they don't even show you any proof that they're actually making PayPal money. So I just refreshed. There it is, $267. And I'm gonna go and show you how this is done and how you can make some free PayPal money and how you could do this with just a little bit of work. So if you watch this video all the way to the end and you don't skip out, you're gonna know exactly what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process. I'm gonna show you exactly where you can go, where you can start making this kind of money. All right, so make sure you keep watching this video. So if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and get started right away, because every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know and you're going to be in the know right away. So first thing first, we're going to head on over to this Google. So we're going to go to Google, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to go to a website that is called Pico Workers. So Pico Workers is a great website that I've been leveraging for some time right now. And I always use it if I have 30 minutes a day free where I'm not doing anything. Instead of just going on social media, I just go onto this particular website and just do small jobs. Now, I don't sign up with my official email. I have multiple different emails. So I use one that I know that there's a lot of different emails that's going to go to that one. So I don't use my professional one and the one that I use for most of the stuff. All right. So Pico Workers, you want to make sure that you go to picoworkers.com and not picoworkers.net, because you have some people out there that will create different websites just to take your information or anything, but you want to go to picoworkers.com. So this method I'm going to share with you is good for single moms, it's good for single dads or single parent or whatsoever, or someone who's out of a job right now who's looking to find a way how to make some PayPal money for free. Because in this free PayPal tutorial or this free PayPal method I'm going to share with you, you can get started on this and make a little bit of money. Now, you're not going to get super rich, but it's something that you can do. And the good thing is, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can do this. So you want to go over here and you want to click on where it says sign up. Once you go to the sign up tab, you will see the sign up option here. As you can see, it's in green. You have freelance and you can earn. So you can put in a real name. You want to make sure that is your real name that goes here. Okay. You want to put your email address, and you also want to put a password. Now you can create an email address just for the sake of this, but make sure that you check this email very frequently. Also, if it's an email that you use PayPal with, I would highly recommend you connect your PayPal account email to this as well. So you want to put a nickname. So you want to put your real name, you put a nickname, put an email, put a password, and you want to choose your country. So as I said, it is worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you could sign up for this and you can get started. You want to click on the agree to Pico Workers terms and conditions, send me news and events, click on that and you could sign up. Now, once you sign up, and then you're going to click into the login tab. Once you log in, it's just going to bring this up where it's going to say warning. All right, so I'm going to go through a few of the rules with you so you don't make any mistakes and you not get banned and things like that. So most people will get this far of the video, and the first thing that they do, they'll click off as soon as they say Pico Workers. They'll just head on over there, and then when they messed up, they're the first one to go in the comment section and say, well, this method didn't work or that method didn't work. Everything that I talk about on this YouTube channel, I personally do myself, okay? So here where it says warning, you do not want to use any VPN. Do not use any VPN to create this kind of stuff. You don't want to open or create multiple accounts. Reason why you don't want to do that, because the system is going to detect and they're just going to shut down the entire account across the board. Do not use the same computer phone as other Pico Workers accounts. So that means if you got a computer in your house, and let's say somebody in your house sign up for Pico Worker, and then you go sign up for it, that is not allowed. So you don't want to use that. So if you want to use your phone, that phone is only one device, because the reason why they want to do that is because they want to make sure that it's different VPN and all that. Do not create many accounts with the same IP address, so you don't want to do that. Don't use shared or public Wi-Fi. Do not use the same IP address to open the same account. Do not work on country jobs that are not from your own country. So that means if they said they want someone in China, you don't want to say, well, I'm from China, and you're not from China. You're from the US. You don't want to do that. Do not attempt to sell or transfer control to a professional, submit fake or income proof. You don't want to do these things. So make sure you go through the rules. Think of your first 25 tasks as like a job interview. So once you do the 25 tasks, please do your work carefully and do not rush it. So you don't want to rush and try to go through and then give like a half of information in here and there, because they're going to check it. And if you violate anything, they're going to close down your account. So once you do that, you click on the agree. Once you go to the agree, now you could see there's loads of different jobs that you could do. So over here on the left hand side, you'll see where it says international, international. If there is like a specific, so international means it doesn't matter where you're from. So simple little tasks like subscribe to this YouTube channel. They're going to be paying 4 cents just for doing this. So all you got to do, just click on this. Once you click on it, as you can see right there, this job is no longer available, so you have to try another one. So this is how fast these things go. So you have to make sure that you're on it, right? You want to click on that. You want to make sure that you sign up. You can sign up for YSense. You do a survey, SuperPay. So if I were you, I would really try to find like the easy ones, like the Facebook like page. Click on this. Once you go on here, all you have to do is, the time rate is like 1 day. All you got to do is go over here. This is the information. What is expect from the worker? So you want to go to Google. You want to search for this, Sanjan Anwar. Click the first Facebook page, and which the name is this. So they're trying to get it into the Google search. Once you do that, the required proof of the task. So you want to make sure that the Facebook page, you want to make sure that you put the name. Now here's where you're going to submit. So you're going to type in the name of the Facebook page right here, which is going to be your Facebook page. So you're going to put in your Facebook page. You want to make sure that you put in your name, and you also want to submit any proof. So if you can take a screenshot that you did it, you can do that as well. So let's go over and let's go try to do this one right now. So we're going to go over to Google. So let's go to Google, and we're going to find this job. So I'm just going to copy this, copy and paste it, and I'm going to head over here. So these are the simple tasks that you could do so you could get free PayPal money. So right here, this is going to be the Facebook page. That's the first one that pops up. I'm going to click on here. Once you click on this, this is the person who is looking for the like. So all you got to do is just click on here. You can like it. Once you like it, you can also screenshot this as well. And then once you screenshot it, that's all you got to do, which is the name of that. You like it, 3 little tasks. Required proof that the task was finished. My Facebook page name. So I'm going to put his Facebook page name, and then I'm going to put my name. So all you got to do is just go there and go there. Then he's going to go check and make sure that it's good. And then all you have to do is just submit. Once you submit, he's going to verify everything and make sure everything is good. And then you're going to start to see that the money start adding up. Money is going to be adding up here. And then that's how you can withdraw your money. You can just send it straight to your PayPal account. Now, some of you probably wonder, okay, now I did the work, Andre. How do I get paid for PayPal? Now, all you got to do is just come here. So you can get paid in credit card or debit card deposit. You can get Shrill, right? You can connect your PayPal. So once it gets up to $25, you could change it to $10. You could change it to $15. You connect your PayPal, and then that's how you're going to withdraw your money, and then you're going to transfer the money. As you can see, money amount to be transferred is a 1 cent. So I could just transfer it. So the money's going to add up. The money's going to add up. And then once you start making this free PayPal money just by doing tasks. So as I said, this is good for someone who is just starting out and just looking for some side income. And you could spend time on here. Of course, it is, again, it's not going to get you super rich. It's not life-changing opportunity, but it's something that you could do. So once you do that, you can make money, and that's how you're going to start accumulating some PayPal money into your account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments, and you can also make more money, and this is how you're going to be making more money. If you go to profile, right, hang on one second. So if you go where it says, you can go under my task, you can go to define jobs, right? And one thing that you could do, you can also sign up for their affiliate program. So you could sign up for their affiliate program, and you could start to promote different tasks on this particular. Let me change that because I like the black mode. The black mode is pretty cool. So you can go to like account settings, you can go to profile. If you want to sign up for the affiliate program, you just come down here, click on where it says affiliate program, and you can start earning money just by posting your affiliate links in different areas and just promote it. And you can earn, as you can see right here, earn up to 5%. So these are ways how you can start making passive income just by start promoting. So you can refer a friend by clicking on this, and then you want to grab your link right here. Once you grab your link, then you can head on over to Facebook. You can click on to the Make Money Online group right there. And then once you do that, then you could join these groups. Go inside of the group, you can create a post. You could say, if I could, let me see, if I could show you a way how to start earning free PayPal money, comment info below. So you could do this. You could join a lot of different Facebook groups. You can post these things and just get creative. And then when someone asks for the information, then you could just inbox them, send them a message with your affiliate link. And that's how you could start building your downline, and you could start earning money. So these are some really cool ways how you can earn some free PayPal money just by doing simple little tasks like this. And you can make money right away just by doing this. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And if you want to learn how I make money, check out the first link in the description. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.